Join us today as we leave our overnight stop in Sheridan and embark on a beautiful drive through Bighorn National Forest before hitting the open road and arriving in the Buffalo Bill region of Cody.
Good morning everybody, it is...
Good morning, the 21st of
21st,
July.
Sunday the 21st. I did part of the driving yesterday, so there wasn't much videoing or photographing going on in the afternoon. Suzanne was asleep half the time.
I was not asleep.
She pretended to not be asleep,
I
but
was not asleep.
this is what she looked like.
I was not asleep. You know I wasn't asleep. This is such a...
We're now heading, we've just left Lead.
No, we haven't. That was...
No, we haven't. That was 2 days, that was yesterday. We've just left Sheridan.
Oh my God.
And we are heading now to Cody, which is where we start learning a bit more about Buffalo Bill.
Buffalo Bill. And
it is a 2.2 hours and 45-minute drive, 145 miles.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining,
Take
the
a sweet
blue
breeze.
sky.
Where
Birds
did we go
chirping.
last night? We went out for dinner last night.
We went to the Powder Pizza restaurant.
In Sheridan.
Pretty good, very hot pizza,
Oh
powered
my
high
God.
with jalapenos.
So many jalapenos.
I think I took a photo of it, I'll stick it up. You can see how many jalapenos on this pizza. Needless to say, we didn't eat them all.
Oh my God.
But it was nice, it was good. The waitress was really nice. She helped us out with some change out of her own pocket and we sort of added it back on her tip. So then actually played video games. But yeah, 2 hours, 45-minute drive today. Sun is shining. We're going to go through, what was the name of that forest they said?
Billings. No?
Hang on, let me pause the video, I'll be right back. Bighorn National Forest is the name of the forest we're going through. There's lots of twisty, windy roads. Looks like a fun drive, and then we're going to come out the other side and head to Cody. So we will show you some clips on the way and we'll see you there. Here's a sign saying Sheridan. Right, we will see you in Cody, or on the way. What's that car doing? No. Bye bye. This is what, what did I say, 6,500
feet above
6,500 feet above sea level is, and we're still climbing. Not quite sure how much. I think we're nearly at the top now because I guess we're going to be winding through those rocks over there.
Yeah.
And then coming down the other side. What did we say this was called again?
This is Bighorn National Park, is it?
Bighorn National Forest. Yeah, Bighorn,
Is it?
Bighorn National Forest, I think. If I'm wrong, I'll put it down below. But yeah.
I think it's Bighorn National Forest.
Okay, onwards and literally upwards. So that, as we just started coming down there, that was 7,910 feet above sea level. We are now creeping down 7,900. Leveling out a bit now, it's pretty flat. Oh, 7,910, it's gone back up again. 7,920. So that wasn't the peak. 7,930. Okay. 40. Okay, so that wasn't the peak, I thought it was. But it wasn't, I'll keep an eye on it. It's down to 7,970. Now, surely we're coming to 7,980. 7,990. It's not going to make 8,000. It's not going to make 8,000. Oh, it does 8,000, but we're going down.
I think it will...
Maybe it's delayed. Oh, it's going up again there. Okay.
Go up.
So I don't know, I thought we peaked, but we haven't. So, story of my life. And it went up peaked. Suzanne has just seen a sign and we peaked at 8,347 feet.
Yeah.
8,347 feet. So we are now descending. I didn't need to even check my phone because that sign told us everything we needed to know. But the phone was pretty accurate because it was on 8,340 when we passed that sign. So there we go. Bighorn National Forest. This particular road anyway, I don't know if it's higher anywhere else, but it peaked at 8,347 feet. Hi everybody, we have reached Cody and just up here on the left is the Buffalo Bill Irma. I think it's called Buffalo Bill's Irma Hotel and Restaurant, which is a historic place and somewhere...
Oh sugar, am I blocking somebody from turning?
I don't know, wait till they do.
Oh
It doesn't say you have to turn right here. It doesn't say right lane, must turn right, don't worry. Sorry, they've got this right lane can turn on red in America, which we're not quite used to yet, and we're going straight on, but it'll be fine. No one's beeping us. The car behind doesn't want us to get on. So just up here on the left hand side is the Buffalo Bill's Irma Hotel and Restaurant. We're not sure about parking, but this is a historic place that we believe was built and opened by Buffalo Bill himself. We're going to try and learn a little bit more about it up here on the left, and we're expecting the room to be a bit different to what we're used to, a bit old fashioned.
Fat Rocks barbecue.
Fat Racks.
Scout Inn, that looks very English.
The Scout Inn, it looks like a pub, doesn't it? Let me show you that, it looks like a pub. Anyway, up here, we'll see you soon, bye.
Before we head to the Irma, as we are too early for check-in, let's drive 20 minutes down the road to the Buffalo Bill Dam and take a look around.
So here we are at the Buffalo Bill Dam and Visitor Centre. Pretty cool, massive dam here they built over 120 years ago, around the turn of the century, 1906 I think they started it. It was certainly started, it was certainly well underway by 1906. Not quite sure of the connection to Buffalo Bill or whether or not the name is just being used, but I'm sure somebody will correct me or certainly educate me on that, because I haven't seen anything anywhere that indicates Buffalo Bill had anything to do with it, but I haven't really read much on it, so yeah, pretty cool to see. We've been to Hoover Dam, and this is another dam that we've been to in this country, so yeah, very nice. The next few, well, certainly today and tomorrow, maybe the rest of today and tomorrow morning, it's all going to be about Buffalo Bill before we head into Yellowstone. Okay, I think we're almost done here, so we're going to head back and just one more stop before we check into the hotel, and then we're going to have a wander around Irma. So we'll see you back at Buffalo Bill's hotel, and I'm going to get a bit more history on that, but I believe he is the one responsible for building the hotel, but we'll find that out soon. We'll see you back there.
This is my best friend, guys. Bob.
Ron, isn't it?
No, it's Bob.
You changed his name?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Bob.
Wee.
Hi, Max.
Wee.
Is that Max and Bob language?
Yeah.
So they do have a free shuttle from the car park to the visitor centre, but I don't think they have to be so rude about it.
So here we are at the old trail town in Cody. Apparently we've got to be wary of the rattlesnakes. So, but I've been told that if we stick to the boardwalk and don't go in the grass area, we'll be fine. Apart from Max, he's doing something behind my back. I have a real phobia about grass snakes. We will see what happens. No, not grass snakes. I have a phobia about any snakes.
So here we are, the old trail town. There's lots of these little cabins showing us what certain people did with their lives and how they lived, and we're having a check. And we're going to show you inside a few of them. Not all of them, because there are about 30 of them, I think. So this is a buffalo hunter's cabin. So somebody that would hunt for buffalo, I guess.
You have to be a genius.
You would have to be a genius.
Max, don't go off anywhere without them.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a Rose's Roadhouse brothel. And it's got 2 red lights outside the front door. Where she does her makeup, make herself look pretty.
That's Max.
Let's go on to the next one. After the dam, we went to that old town trail, and we are now just wandering up and down Cody High Street. Lots of gift shops, bookshops, cowboy shops, what you'd expect, eateries and drinkeries, and we're trying to find somewhere for tea, so check it out.
And I'm resorting now to videos on my phone, and this is the outside seating area of the Irma Hotel. And here we have the interesting name for the place of a pizza place. Ah, that's why it's called Tossers. Thank goodness for that. The rest of the evening was spent wandering around, browsing and grabbing some food and drinks. We had a drink at the Silver Dollar Bar that had some live music, and it had a pool table.
You're great. I hate your ball, Max.
And before I show you some highlights of what's coming up in the next video, let's have a look at a few photos from this part of our USA adventure. join us in the next video when we head into Yellowstone National Park and we have some great drives to look forward to. We go bison spotting. Do you think we'll see any? Because we get stuck in a few bison jams, and we also check out some hot springs and some waterfalls and enjoy the best view from the hotel balcony.